The Husqvarna EE5 is a groundbreaking electric motocross bike that sets new standards for young riders and motocross enthusiasts alike. Building on Husqvarna's commitment to advancing electric mobility, the EE5 brings together impressive features, cutting-edge technology, and sustainability for an innovative off-road experience. The bike is designed to compete directly with its fuel-powered 50 cubic centimeters counterparts while offering a cleaner, quieter, and more environmentally friendly ride. With a focus on performance, safety, and user customization, the EE5 promises to be an excellent choice for riders seeking an accessible, high-performance electric motocross bike. Key features and performance enhancements. One of the most significant updates to the Husqvarna EE5 is the introduction of water cooling technology, which extends the motor's running time by 30% without compromising power output. This feature ensures that riders can enjoy longer sessions on the track or trails while maintaining a consistent and smooth power delivery. The cooling system is driven by the bike's battery, and the water pump is activated as soon as any of the 6 ride modes is engaged. The EE5's motor is a permanent magnet design that has been specifically engineered for this model, providing a peak output of 5 kilowatts. This power level competes directly with 50 cubic centimeters fuel-powered bikes, making the EE5 an ideal choice for young riders transitioning from smaller, gas-powered models. The motor's design ensures that it is maintenance-free, thanks to its waterproof and dust-proof construction. Additionally, the 6 ride modes enable riders of all skill levels to customize the bike's power delivery, allowing for a safer and more personalized riding experience. Beginners can start on lower power settings, while more experienced riders can push the bike to its full potential. This flexibility makes the EE5 an excellent choice for young riders who are developing their skills and want to grow with the bike as they improve. Battery and charging system. The Husqvarna EE5 features a Li-ion battery that is mounted inside a robust die-cast aluminum casing. The battery stores 907 Wh of energy, offering up to 2 hours of general riding or 30 minutes of fast-paced riding at the highest power setting. This makes the bike well-suited for both casual riders and those who enjoy pushing the bike to its limits during intense motocross sessions. The battery management system, BMS, integrated into the bike ensures that the battery is properly managed, maximizing both safety and longevity. When it comes to charging, the EE5 is designed for convenience. It comes with an external charger capable of delivering up to 900 W and can be plugged into any standard 110V or 230V outlet. This makes it possible for riders to charge the bike at home, in the garage, or even at a campsite with the appropriate power source. The battery charges 80% in just 45 minutes and reaches a full charge in 70 minutes, allowing riders to quickly get back on the track or trails. Safety features and customization. Safety is a top priority for Husqvarna, and the EE5 is equipped with a variety of features to ensure a secure and enjoyable riding experience. The multifunctional instrument panel is located between the seat and the steering head, providing riders and parents with an easy-to-read display of the remaining battery life. This is especially useful for parents who want to monitor the bike's usage and ensure it is being operated safely. For young riders, the EE5 includes a dongle beneath the seat, which can be used to lock a ride mode. This feature prevents children from accidentally engaging a more powerful ride mode, ensuring they only use the appropriate settings for their skill level. A rollover sensor is another important safety feature, automatically cutting power to the rear wheel if the bike is tipped over. Additionally, the wrist lanyard key is a fail-safe device that cuts power to the bike if the rider removes their hand from the handlebars, preventing the bike from running away in the event of a fall or accident. Adjustability and long-term use. One of the standout features of the EE5 is its adjustable seat height. The seat can be easily raised from its standard height of 626 mm to 674 mm, making the bike adaptable as young riders grow. The seat can be adjusted by repositioning the WP shock and lowering the WP forks through the triple clamps. This adjustability allows the EE5 to remain a comfortable and familiar bike for riders throughout their childhood, enabling them to build confidence and refine their skills without needing to switch to a different bike. This feature also contributes to the bike's long-term usability, ensuring that the EE5 can grow with the rider as they become more experienced. Whether they are beginners or more advanced riders, the EE5 offers a versatile and customizable ride that accommodates different rider needs and abilities. Conclusion. The Husqvarna EE5 is an impressive electric motocross bike that combines performance, safety, and sustainability. With a water-cooled motor, longer battery life, and the ability to easily adjust to the rider's skill level, the EE5 offers a versatile and exciting riding experience. Whether you're a parent looking for a safe and environmentally friendly bike for your child or a young rider seeking an electric bike to compete with gas-powered models, the EE5 delivers on all fronts. Its innovative features, fast charging times, and customization options make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to get into electric motocross riding. Price and availability. The Husqvarna EE5 is priced at approximately $5,299, making it a competitive option for those looking for a high-quality, electric-powered motocross bike. The bike is available through authorized Husqvarna dealers, and interested customers can inquire about availability and specific pricing in their region.